Hello, good day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to talk about how to protect our social media accounts. So this method I'm going to show you guys today, if there is someone that use browser and then I want to let you know that your accounts are not protected, so I'm going to show you guys how to protect it from all these hackers, and that is it. So this video is for educational purpose, so please do well to implement this to help yourself from fraud and hackers. So let me dive into my Chrome. So we are going to use Chrome for this tutorial because this is the browser I want to use to show you guys, and this method will apply to a lot of other browsers, but for now we are going to use Chrome. So when you come to your Chrome, you want to go to the three dots, and if you are using a mobile phone, it's the same thing. Go to the three dots there, and when you click on it, it's going to appear like this. And when it appears like this, you are going to see, for mobile phone you are going to see password manager, but for laptop, desktop, you are going to see password and autofill. So you are going to put your mouse on your hand there. So for phone, you're just going to click the password manager, and for laptop, as I said, click the password and autofill, and you go to see Google Password Manager. So this Google Password Manager is what you're going to see for phone. The reason why I'm explaining this way is that I am not ready to do two videos, so I want some people that are using mobile phone and laptop to understand this. I hope you guys get where I'm going now. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel so you can receive an update whenever I drop a new video. Thank you. As you do so, let's dive in back to the video. So what did I say? For mobile phone, you're going to see password, you are going to see Google Password Manager, and for desktop you're going to see password and autofill. So what you just need to do now is to click the password manager like this. Remember, you are using a mobile phone, I'm using a desktop, so the same method goes for all. Do you understand now? So when you get it into this password manager for your mobile phone or for your laptop, you come to the setting. For your mobile phone, you are going to see the right side at the bottom of the right side, you are going to see the setting. This setting is going to show at the bottom. So when you click at it at the bottom, you're going to see this setting. While for desktop, you're seeing it at the left side. So you click on this setting. So when you click on this setting, you're going to see at the top here, you're going to see settings, and that is what you're going to see on mobile phone. So you are going to see this, you're going to see this off to save password and passkey. You're going to see it like that on your mobile phone, the same thing you're seeing on your desktop. So turn it off like this. Turn it off, and you're going to see sign in automatic. So when you see this on your laptop, you are going to do what? Turn it off. So you're going to turn it off on your laptop and your desktop. So that's what we're going. So when you have done that, just turn this thing off. Now it doesn't end here, okay? Now we have done with this particular session. So what do we need to do now? We need to come back to we need to go back, okay? We need to go back. Just click back, then click back again. You are going to go back to that session, click on it. For desktop, for mobile phone, for mobile phone, you are going to locate payment method for mobile phone. So when you come back, you click there, you're going to see payment method. Click on the payment method. But for laptop or desktop, you are going to go back to the password and autofill, and you're going to see payment method. After Google Password Manager, you're going to see payment method. So you click on the payment method. When you click on the payment method, I believe you that are using mobile phone, you have done the same thing with your own. Then you come back to here to the security section. You say save security code. Okay, see this save security code. You are going to come and click save security code. So turn this save security code off. Okay, so when you turn these things that I'm showing you off, your account is saved. Now now a lot of you like, how is my account saved? By just turning all these things off. Now let me tell you why your account is saved by just turning it off. Your account is saved by just turning it off because the autofill and autosave See, that autofill, whenever anybody hijack your email, any of your primary email, whenever anybody hijack that email and try just your password, what the person will do is this: just click on any of the sites that you have used before. Your login details for your previous login details will automatically pop up. When that your previous login details automatically pop up, that means the person will log in successfully. Do you understand? Now, for the payment method session, what will happen is this: when somebody go to any site that you have actually buy something from, because when you buy something from Google, let's say for those of us that use mobile phones, sometimes we subscribe to some services on Google will save our password. They will save what they will do, they will save our 11 digits on our ATM card. Google is going to save the 11 digits, and when they save that 11 digits, they're also going to save our CVV. Now, those things are what people can use to dip into your account. So with that 16 digits on MasterCard, while I think 22 digits on Verve, and on Visa 16 digits. So when they have this thing, they can actually go into your account to take out some cash. Now, people ask me, when I try to do that, sometimes they ask me for password. Yes, but now let me tell you something. If you are using a platform like PayPal, you are using a platform like what is it called? Oh, I've forgotten the others, but let me say PayPal. PayPal doesn't ask for your password. Okay, PayPal will ask for your 16 digits and your CVV and expire date. Now, remember, when you put these things, all these things will automatically fill in self. And when all these details automatically fill themselves, what happens to your payment, to your money? Now, when you go to PayPal and put those complete details on your PayPal, PayPal will automatically debit the person without your password, because they assume that you already have the CVV. In every MasterCard, the key bone of every MasterCard is the CVV. In Visa, every key in it, you see, in any ATM card, which any smart card, the CVV is the key bone, not the password. The password is only important for your any card when you are using ATM machine. It's only when you're using ATM machine that the password is important. But when you're using an online to purchase, the password is not the key bone. The password can only matters when you are purchasing from a local platform. And in a local platform, a lot of us use what? Verve. So that is what I'm here to tell you guys today, how to protect your social media account and also your bank account. The most important, your bank account. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. So do well to subscribe to my channel so you receive an update whenever I drop a new video. For now, I will be going. Peace and love. See you.